Go to this website. I'll have this link in the description below, and just click on add to Chrome. Once this is added, just click on the extension, select auto search, select faster searching, and you can select this too, no problem. And now you can search for any username. Now go to any game where you want to join your friend or your enemy to kill them or do whatever you want. And here you will see a list of servers. Now you can click on the settings, and here you can search your friend's name. And once you have typed the name, you can list more than 10 servers in this page. You can list 20. Just click the search button again, and it will search for this username. 241 servers are found, and this user is not present in any server as it is denoted by user not found. If this user is found, it will say user found on page number 2, 3, 4 or 5 or any other page, and then you can just go to that page and click on join, and you will be able to join your friend, kill them, or just prank with them. But you need to make sure that the extension here is enabled, and then you will get this option. Okay, so this is how you can join anyone even with joins off in Roblox. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.